Home Depot dropping today after delivering its worst revenue miss in 20 years. The home improvement retailer also saying even high-income homeowners are cutting back on spending. That warning sending Williams-Sonoma and RH shares lower today. Two retailers catering to the higher-end home goods shopper. Target reports before the bell tomorrow, and it might be in an even tougher spot than Home Depot. The retailer is highly reliant on discretionary spending. Only 21% of its revenues come from groceries. What should we glean from this other than something that we've been saying for a long time, and that is there has been a tremendous pull forward when it comes to these discretionary items, particularly for the home during the pandemic? How many oven mitts and pillows do you need in your house, Guy?
Well,
are you buying oven mitts at Home Depot, by the way? That explains a lot.
No, but for like Williams-Sonoma and RH and the higher-end consumer that's buying fancy
take as many of their oven mitts as they have to sell me. That's a great-looking oven mitt.
You get the small ones.
Nice. Not a baby. All right.
So, I'm sorry.
You can't even talk. Okay,
I'll take it from here. So I think in Home Depot's case, no one's had a sweeter spot than Home Depot's had. And if you think about it, again, there's been lumber deflation. So as we're speaking about small mitts, I mean, I think this is something else that I think Home Depot is suffering from. They were in the perfect space for 2 years. And I actually don't think these numbers are that bad. If you look at their gross margin, it's still above a 2019 level. Should you be out rushing to buy Home Depot here? No. Was that guide disappointing? Is this shocking for Home Depot? But this is hardly, run for the doors. And in fact, their pro business is part of the reason why they're very resilient, because there still are a lot of contractors out there filling a lot of orders. But, it's a sign of the times. They're never going to see that again. Home Depot will never see, and that includes their margin profile. That was it.
I've composed myself.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I thought the stock actually traded okay today on what wound up being a pretty lousy overall tape. I mean, the stock was down $4. 275 was still a support level we talked about. It should have been worse. The Restoration Hardware move was really bad.
Yeah.
I mean, they took that out to the woodshed. And that is just, on valuation, it's actually cheaper than Home Depot. So I don't know. I mean, I don't think HT traded particularly bad today. Traded a few times normal volume. For a trade, I think you could be long the stock.
Anything that you're going to need a second mortgage to buy, anything that's related on interest rates. When you go to Home Depot, people are putting extensions on their house. They're doing new bathrooms. They're doing new kitchens. If it's a sectional couch, yes, you probably have to finance that too. But you have to be a little more cautious. If it's a high-end product, people who have money might curtail it a little bit, but they're still going to spend it. If you need a second mortgage to buy it, stay away from those stocks.
So you're saying you'd rather be in Home Depot even if there's a pullback in spending?
No, I don't. I think Home Depot, I could see those people pulling back because they have to actually take out a loan. So anything that needs a loan, but if you're talking about high-end clothing, I think you could still be there.
Yeah, it's interesting. Guy just said he's surprised how well it traded today. I mean, this stock, trades at a market multiple. And I think we can all agree on this desk that we don't think the multiple assigned to the broad market right now is appropriate, given how fast interest rates have come and what we're starting to see as sort of the data from the economy. When you hear a company like this, I think you said, Mel, it was like the worst revenue miss in 20 years. These are not one quarter sort of things, And so here's a company that's dealing with a hangover from the pandemic. They really benefited from a lot of the dynamics that were going on in the housing market and low rates and all that sort of stuff. And then we think about, again, the conversation we were having at the top of the, you were talking about margin expansion and some of these new staples now, like the biggest companies on the planet who have all of these moats, and now they're trading at like 30 times or whatever. So to me, there needs to be some sort of we need to see this kind of spread narrow a little bit. And to me, it's just getting further widened right now.
Home Depot or Target, Tim?
Home Depot. Yeah, I mean, I think you've had a pullback here. Let's see where it goes over the next couple of days. I agree this doesn't turn around overnight, but I'm still going to get, masking tape and drop cloths and fertilizer and
sure you are.
And Spectracide and, that's what I do.